What is up to my Brian gang? What is up to my Brian squad? It is your girl Brian Bree here, and I am back with another freaking video. Okay, if you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are already a part of the Brian gang, thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in for another freaking video. Now, I'm pretty sure y'all can see from that title, I'm doing another mukbang slash story time, you guys. Okay, look, I'm starving. I just got off work. I was gonna eat these Tostito pizza rolls, and I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and combine this with the story time I was gonna do tonight, because for my other story, when I was telling everybody about how I lost my virginity, they wanted to hear about my friend who ended up sleeping with the dude that I was with. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna mash these into one video for y'all, because I seem to really like when I do a mukbang and eat. So nothing fancy today, y'all. No fast food, just some Tostito rolls is what I had a taste for, and is what was in my fridge, okay? And I don't feel like going nowhere. So go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and get down those comments. Let me know how your day has been. Let me know what y'all eating for dinner tonight. This is my dinner, unless I get hungry again. So just go down there and let me know how your day has been. And if you want to hear this story time and hear me smack on a little bit of food, then stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so if you haven't watched my last video about me losing my virginity, you need to stop. You need to go and watch that. If you have not seen that video, this story will not make sense to you. So I'm gonna dive right in. Like I said, I'm starving, y'all. So, like I said, the dude I lost my virginity to, he ended up, you know, hooking up with my friend, and her child was supposed to supposedly be his. So I gotta tell y'all how this went down, because I wasn't even supposed to. Sorry, I'm looking at Sparkle. I wasn't even supposed to find this out, apparently. So good, y'all. Obviously, it was just meant for me to find out, because in our adult years, I didn't even hang out with this girl that much. It was good. So I didn't even really hang out with her that much, y'all. And I just happened to be over there one day. You know, this friend, I'm gonna call her Kay. Kay is the type of person, she never really charges her phone. She doesn't really ever, well, she doesn't really care about having a cell phone, so she always leaves it. Big mistake. Ooh, y'all, this vanilla coke good. And if y'all wondering, I got the pepperoni pizza rolls with this vanilla coke that's hitting the spot. So she leaves her phone everywhere. Like, she don't care. She'll leave it anywhere. Like, she doesn't, it's like it don't even like phase her mind. Like, oh, do I have my phone checked? Like normal people. She just don't care about phone. So one day, I'm over there with her, y'all. I don't know where she went. I don't even remember. I don't know, she had to go pick something up, drop something off, whatever it was, I didn't go. Now, mind you, we such close friends. I went to intermediate with her, so we go back 6th grade. Went to middle school together. Sometimes we lose touch, but we end up being back up somewhere, somehow. So, she goes somewhere. She leave her phone. She's like, you know, somebody call me, just let them know I call them back. So I'm like, cool. You know, we such close friends, y'all, that we used to call each other sisters. Let me explain this, okay? I've only ever called 2 friend sisters. Okay? And then someone else, I'm gonna call her L. So, I don't do that all the time. Just them 2. So, L, I called her sister, and she was actually like a sister. I F with her the long way. That was my ace, okay? Now, the reason I call K sister, because she a little trifling, okay? And the stuff that I let her get away with growing up is the only stuff that a family member or like a sister can get away with. That's why I call her sister. So, she leaves. Now, it's the reason why I told you I call her sister. She leaves. Her phone rings a couple times. People text. I tell them she'll call you back. And the phone ring again, y'all. So I answer. I'm like, hello? A dude says, is Kay there? I'm like, no, she's not here. I have her call you back. Oh, well, who is it? It's her sister. I have her call you back. Because at that point, I'm a little irritated. Because I'm like, what you want to know who this is for? She'll call you back, shoot. So, he say to me, is this her real sister or is this Tay-Tay? Mind y'all, if you watch my last video, that was one of my childhood names. And that's what he knew me by. So I said, who is it? He talking about the dude that took your virginity. So I'm like Jay? He's like, yeah. So I'm like, what you doing calling K phone? Like, what's up? He was like, it's really important that I talk to her. He said, you know, I just got out of jail, is what he said. I just got out of jail. And before I went in, she said that her baby was supposed to be mine. So I'm like, huh. You had sex with Kay. I'm gonna say her real name. He was like, well, yeah, we hooked up. Y'all. I was standing there in like disbelief. Pure disbelief. Now, him and I lost my virginity to him. I called myself going with him, but he ended up having like a whole nother girlfriend his age and stuff. So it's like, we didn't keep it that long, but still. You know what I'm saying? You was there when I lost my virginity. You was with his homeboy. Granted, I was 13 back then. At this time, I'm probably like, maybe 21. 21, 22. Something like that. Which ain't that long time ago. That ain't that long ago. So, I'm like, okay, whatever. Matter of fact, her baby was there with me. He was like, can I come and see him? I want to see if he look like me. I'm like, I can send you a picture. Excuse me. Woo. I'm like, I can send you a picture. What you coming over here for? I'm like, no, I'm coming. So he hang up. If I know, he done pulled up, y'all, at this girl grandma's house. I go out there with the baby. He like, man, he don't look nothing like me. I got a daughter. She look everything like me. Like, my genes strong. I'm like, okay. I don't care. So, y'all, it's just horrible. So she come back. I asked her straight up, did you have sex with him? She's like, no, blah, blah. I don't know what he talking about. Ain't nobody tell him that my baby was his baby. How somebody get confused anything to do with being a parent if you didn't have sex with somebody. I promise, I swear, I'll put that on my life. Just lying, y'all. I've been knowing her for forever, so I know she's lying. Y'all, she was still alive to this day. So she didn't have sex with him. So this where you get good, y'all. This where you get good. I'm probably over there with her about a week. That same night that I asked her and she said no, I'll wake up in the middle of the night. She gone. So she don't come back till late in the morning, y'all. Guess what she was with? That's right, Jay. Now, she ain't admit this, but I know. So this is how I know. Turns out, they got stranded. She was riding with him. He was riding with his homeboy. Homeboy car breakdown. Her granny has to go get them. So the next morning, her granny talking to me, so I had to go and get you and Jay and blah, 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 blah. So I'm like, hold on. You had to go get who? She was where? Because I don't remember where she lied and said she was, y'all, but it wasn't with him. So I'm like, what? And she like, Granny don't know what she's talking about. Granny know exactly what she's talking about. She know exactly what she's talking about. She knew. She knew him from when we was kids. When he was messing with me. So I know she knows what she was talking about. But that girl still sat there and lied, y'all. She a lot of day. I'm saying, no, I will never do that to you. And get so angry, y'all. Whatsoever. People trifling. Trifling. She's real good. I was so hungry, I put them in the microwave instead of the oven. And they would have been so much better in the oven. But yeah, y'all. She had sex with him. Baby was supposed to be his. That baby was not his, though. Turns out. So, whatever. Snuck off with him that night. Lied to me about it. Her grandma told on her. I still talk to her. Like, every now and then. She'll write me on Facebook or something. But I don't really fool with her that much. Because of that and because of another reason, which is another story time for another day. That's going to be a good one, too. I got a lot of story times because a lot of people I know, friends and family, trifling. Regular people and family. Like, look, family don't get no passes. Don't get no passes because I ain't getting no pass when they did me dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. This is going to be the end. I cannot finish the rest of these. I'm actually full, drinking a soda and eating these pizza rolls. Got me full, y'all. So I'm going to relax, watch me some Lifetime Movie Network or something. Drop down in the comments. Let me know what y'all watching today on a Thursday. I don't think no shows come on Thursday, but then again, I wouldn't know because I don't really watch TV like that. Excuse me, y'all. So like I said, I'm going to go relax, lay down, and I'm going to catch y'all in my next freaking video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. I recently hit 500 and I'm so freaking excited. I'm on the road to 1,000. Okay, so y'all go ahead and share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and tell all your friends, tell your family, tell everybody. Okay, we're trying to get to 1K. When I get to 1K, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I'm not going to tell you what. It's a surprise. Do I know already what I'm giving away? Yes, I do. Okay, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next freaking video. Bye.